Yeah, I had to record this because I just got off the phone on my iPhone. This is iPhone 13 Pro Max. Do you see something strange? I mean, it's not a screen, a photo or nothing, but doesn't the time need to be on the top? Why is it on the side over here? And I'll scroll over, it's still there. What the heck? So yeah, man, I don't know what's going on with this. This is weird. I've never seen that before. Let me know if anybody's seen that on the iPhone. This is the 13 Pro Max, by the way. But yeah, it's weird. Never seen that. I got it. It's stuck on. The time is stuck on the side, and it is 10:21. You can see here on my watch, 10:21, and that's weird. Weird stuff there. I decided just to make this video. Um, I am running. Let me see what I'm running here. General. Oh, time went back up. It fixed itself when I came in here, but I'll show you where I'm at. iOS 16.1. Let's see. Let's go back home and see if. Yeah, when I go back to my home screen, this is crazy. It's stuck on the side. I've never had this happen before. Let me see when I swipe up. Go into my. In here. What the hell? Let me go into settings again. Yeah, I go here. It goes back to the top. The time, battery, and Wi-Fi signal and mobile symbol is on there. And then when I swipe home, boom, back to the side. Weird stuff, man. I don't know what's going on with it. I just noticed it like right now. I got off the phone and I got to my home screen and this is stuck. This is not, I don't even think you could jailbreak these phones. So it's not a jailbreak or nothing. It's just a glitch, I guess. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you've seen this on your iPhone where you get the time, mobile, and Wi-Fi indicators and the battery on the side like that. It's crazy. Let me open up another application. Facebook. See, when I open Facebook, it goes back to the top. Go back home, back to the side. Weird stuff. I don't know what's going on with it, but yeah, let me know.